Here's Nhandu tripeppi, giant strawberry blonde bird eater making some webs. It's very possible that she's going to be turning herself over. What's up, guys? How are you all doing? Well, today I'm getting a molt right now. Finally, my tripeppi started to molt, so we're gonna have a look at her. Right now it is 9:11 p.m. and she's flipped over. Right now she's pulsating. You can see. From the looks of it, could be a male. 7-second thoughts, actually could be a male. We're gonna find out. Right now she's moving her fangs. She's pulsating, which is a good sign. So this, I'm going to document it and put this on YouTube to let you know how long it takes for a Nhandu tripeppi to molt. So it is 9:12, and we'll film when something happens. Alright guys, now it is 9:46 p.m. Starting to emerge. Oh, I can see it's starting to get bigger already. You can note all the fangs. Alright, so now it is 10:02. Wow, she's sure molting quickly. So right now she's probably more than halfway out. You can check the colors on the specimen right now. More like a goldish color. Oh, she's probably going to be at least 5.5, 6 inches. Just a rough estimate to see how big she is. So the old skin's almost out. There's the fangs. Don't see if she has any bulbous pedipalps yet. So it's a pretty large Nhandu, that I can tell you. Alright, so exactly 1 hour since I made the video, 10:12 p.m. I would say she's finally molted, or now that I look at it, it kind of looks like it may be a mature male. And he is very leggy. Oh boy. Can't see the presence of tibial hooks, nor do I see any of these bulbous pedipalps. Oh, maybe I do. This is so disappointing. Another male. Shoot. Oh god, I just hate it when I get mature males, because now I don't have a female for it to mate, so I'll try to see if I can ask Tarantula Canada to see if she wants another tripeppi. Don't you just hate it when every time you think a tarantula is a female, then it molts out into a mature male? Yeah, great. We'll see if I can try to do a bring alone. Now that I do mention it, he is pretty leggy. Alright, here's the Nvalpinis. Oh, sorry, tripeppi now. I just love the name changes. And yeah, he's got a pretty small abdomen, very, very leggy. So I have the molt right here, so I'm going to open up the abdomen area and check if I see a flap. Good riddance, just as expected. I don't see any flap. Too bad. So I'll try to zoom in to show you what a male looks like. Don't know if you can actually see. Yeah, you don't see any flap in the center. Darn it. Now it is 10:45. Still grooming. Oh yeah, definitely mature male. Yeah, very disappointing. So just email Tarantula Canada my inquiry if they want a mature male. So if you see from the ventral shot, they had that little upside down U shape. It's really hard to see, but that gives you that giveaway that it's a sign of a mature male. But as I said, don't always go with ventral sexing. It's never correct, and certainly don't go look at a tarantula dorsally. Well, I mean, right side up, and think just because it may have a big body and big abdomen that may lead you to foolishly think that it's a female. But I just did. But as I said, you know, when you sex a tarantulas, you always sex them from their molt and their ventral. That will give you a great indication whether or not to 100% accurately describe your sex of your tarantula. So this is a mature male, so hopefully Tarantula Canada can accept him. He's sure taking his sweet time to flip over. In the meantime, we can enjoy a little lightning action. I think we're having another thunderstorm. It's been very... Oh, that's perfect. That's beautiful. So I'm gonna stay and keep watching him. Sure, I'll probably take as long as the grass grows. And voila. Finally. Oh my god, he's a big male. He's probably like 4 or 5 inches. Perfect molt, no failed molts. He does have bulbous pedipalps and tibble hooks on the first pair of legs. Yep, so that's the video of Nhandu tripeppi, the giant starboard blonde bird eater, mature male molt. That sucks. In the meantime, we'll just get one last video of the lightning if I can get it, then we'll cut the video off. Oh, and by the way, it did take at least 2 hours for him to fully molt, so that's typical of your tarantulas as soon as they reach their adulthood. So I guess I'll buy a sling from Tarantula Canada because they seem to have some tripeppi available. As you can see, the hairs have been replaced, and any lost legs will be regenerated. Alright, so before I end the video off, we'll just go outside. We'll try to get some more footage of the lightning if we can, and then I'll cut off the video. Try to get some lightning. That was perfect. And some thunder. If we can. Heck, that works. Alright, so here's the next day. Mature male, Nhandu tripeppi, giant starboard blonde bird eater. I did call Tarantula Canada. They are willing to take him, and that's great. And just one bad news that I have to say. Rachypalma vagans, the Mexican red rump Max, has been eaten by the female. That sucks. So I hope you enjoy the Nhandu tripeppi molting sequence and that thunderstorm that we had yesterday. That was pretty awesome. So stay tuned for Pomphidius antinus, the steely blue leg. I did get a package from Nicolo85, so we're going to review it. Alright guys, hope you enjoy it.